So we recently went to China, taking a big risk with our time and money to push our business forward. Honestly, it's been the best decision we've made since starting this journey. If you want to see what we got up to, stick around and don't forget to subscribe for more. Good morning, everyone. Checked in to head to Shenzhen airport. They also gave us the second boarding pass, Shanghai. We're gonna get our breakfast at Hungry Jack's. Oh, you got something good. That's so cheap. I'm gonna shake and roll too. Shake and win. I want a bacon deluxe. Did I get the same thing? Yeah. Oh, cracky wrap, hash brown. I had a hash brown. Our humble abode for the next 8 hours. It's actually pretty roomy. I don't know if you can see our legs. We've got lots of leg space. I'm tall. You're above average. Lunch is served. We've got Chinese spaghetti, bacon and egg. Is this breakfast? It doesn't taste like spaghetti. It's like dumplings. The inside of a dumpling with thick udon noodles. How's your sleep?
Is this what bees look like when they're in the honeycomb?
That a speaker? What is that?
Honeycomb.
Honeycomb. We have landed in Shanghai. I want to see my eye bags. Oh my god. I'm so bad. Good morning. Welcome to day 1 of Shanghai. I'm gonna go get a breakfast and then we'll have a car to pick us up to meet with our first manufacturer. Wow, let's look at the view together. Oh my god, the city is so big. Just a glimpse of Shanghai. Restaurant food or family mart. But they're both close by, I get to see both. So
You see what they have in store family.
yeah.
But then like you just get to the restaurant.
Yeah, do you remember where it was? I think it was down the street. I can see the sun in China. I don't know what area we'll walk to, but it's very French. Is this the French area? Why does it look like it? Umami. Is it really hot? Yeah.
No, just put it in your mouth and leave it.
Is it hot, Thomas?
It's like fills the mouth.
It's not hot, mate. What are you talking about?
All of them hot.
Yum. just breaks up the bone. Ooh. Oh yeah, that fish is yum. Okay, back at the hotel. Now we're waiting for. Sorry, no. Start again. Back at the hotel, just finished breakfast. I am so full from that. I think everything was around 25 AUD. Shalong baos, amazing. Oh my god. It had like meat crab roe in it. It was delish. Now we're waiting for our car pickup. I think me and Roger will just do a brief of what's to say and what's gonna happen there. A bit exciting day. Take you guys along their office if I'm allowed to film it. Obviously I'll ask for permission. Today is the day when we finally meet our manufacturer who we've been speaking to for about just over 6 months, so it's good to meet them and make a good business relationship, all that jazz. Okay, we finished breakfast. How was it? Amazing.
Yeah, it was really good. The soup was a tiny bit light, but then again,
Shalom bao was yummy. It had like crab meat in it.
Our first impression was Shalom bao in Shanghai. It was really good.
So yummy.
It was a lot of umami.
As expected from where it originated from.
Is it?
Yeah,
You sure?
from Shanghai.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm 100% sure.
Today we are going to the showroom.
Their office.
So, like, in the showroom, there's like products. You can look at all the different types of products they have.
Because they don't.
It does look nice.
It looks very nice.
Yes.
This is only like for the second
sample.
It's a big office. Wow. Oh wow.
Our clients need this,
Yeah.
need this,
Yeah.
and we help them to purchase.
Wow. That's for camping, I think.
Yeah. And hold on this. Vacuum. Yeah.
Maybe no. Yeah.
I don't like using
Yeah,
Velcro.
we don't like Velcro. Personal
Yes.
personal preference.
Minor changes, but these are all important because details matter like this.
Yeah, we'll explain more at home.
Yeah.
But we've pretty much completed the meeting
Yeah, we
with
have.
Frank and
Are we allowed to keep this, or can we bring this home?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Alright. We'll decide later. There's too much to think about.
what are we doing?
We are having lunch.
Yeah, we're having lunch with him. He's taking us to a Chinese place to eat some more Chinese food. Which I'm
Always trust the locals.
Yeah, always trust the locals. It's a really nice area.
Looks very diverse.
As you can see.
There's a lot of trees
Yeah.
around the sides.
It's all electric cars, so it's so quiet. Yeah, this looks good. Really locals.
Yes. Nearby our factory, near our company.
Is it duck?
No, not pork.
What do you recommend? What do you think?
Yeah, I know. There's so many.
Yeah, this one looks good.
This fried chicken. How about 红烧肉?
Oh,
Shanghai 红烧肉.
yeah, we try that one. Yeah.
It's like pork belly.
Yes, pork.
More Shanghai food.
What is this?
Looks like it's like 80% fat.
Camping. Cheers. Camping.
Campaign, Frank.
Take photos. Welcome to China.
Thank you, Frank. Goodbye.
It's so crazy.
Yeah. How much is it? You need veggies is so much fat.
We're going to Aldi, Chinese Aldi. I shop there like once a month at least. Got durian. You'll never see that in Australian Aldi. Oh, it's stinky as well.
$1.
Carrot looks weird.
Like a bit more than $1. So expensive.
Milk yogurt or something?
So big.
So funny to see Aldi in Chinese. Sauce, chili oil, mayonnaise.
Special section.
Yeah, there should be. Special buys, chips and everything. I've seen this baby before. This is popular. Mung bean popsicle. Look at the ice cream. Salted caramel, vanilla, dark chocolate. Taro and mochi ice cream. That looks so good. There's a big chicken.
Oh, we saw this.
Yeah. How much is that? $7.90.
That's like $1.50.
This hot pot. How much is it? I'm curious.
This one?
Yeah.
It's like $5.
Frozen Australian mutton balls rolls.
$5. What is this?
Vegetable bun, Aldi brand. Yeah.
2 kilos for like $3. It's $3.
We need that back at home. Oh my god, look at all this cake. So much variety. Bagels, I think. Ooh, matcha. That looks nice.
Like great.
Japanese cheesecake.
Souffle cheesecake.
They use the phone to pay everything. How easy was that? So quick. Hello, welcome to Shanghai. Let's do a room tour. Let's start off with the toilets. I have a Chinese bidet. It warms up the seat. Yeah, it's censored.
I thought it was a button, but then it's a switch, so you just flick it down. Like a light switch, and this... Oh! So, this time I'm using a switch for a shower.
Now we have our bathroom. Do our makeup, get ready. Nice space. And a mirror, very nice. So we have little living room couch. We did have kids' toys over here in this big corner, but we told them to get rid of it because it was taking way too much space. Not sure why you ordered children's toys. We didn't, it was already there. It was like this whole corner. We have our view. It's sunset right now, so it looks very beautiful. We're very high. This is 19th floor out of 26 floors. Next we have our beautiful bed. Very hard. Asian style, we like that. Fridge, kettle, big TV actually. Luggage is here. And then another view, a bit smaller. It's a window as well, so we can open it if we want fresh air. Yeah, that's it, guys. Alright, I'll wrap it up here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Stay tuned for the next video where we explore Wukang Road and have a little mukbang feast. See you soon. Bye!